How to make money on Outlier.ea. What if you could boost your revenue by spotting hidden opportunities and avoiding costly mistakes automatically? Outlier.ea helps businesses turn data into dollars by identifying critical trends and anomalies in real life time. Learn how you can start earning more with less effort by leveraging the power of EA. Don't miss out on the chance to grow your profits. Read our guide now. Hey guys, and welcome. In this video I'll show you how you can earn money on Outlier.ea. So first of all you have to do is open your browser and dive into Outlier.ea. So this is the home page. As you can see, we have your first information and to know it. So first, what is Outlier? Outlier is a data analytics platform that leverages artificial intelligence to detect critical changes and anomalies within businesses' data. It is designed to help companies identify unexpected patterns and relationships in their data, offering actionable insights that can improve a customer experience and drive businesses' growth. The platform integrates with various data sources such as Salesforce, Google Analytics, and Amazon Redshift, allowing for comprehensive analysis across multiple datasets. Key features include automatic anomaly detection, multi-source integration, and data visualization tools. So here we have here three things. Here we have the first one is fake in the homepage. So we click over fake. We have here some questions like, so what is Outlier? So you can just click over here to know what is it. Then we have what is the purpose of Outlier's onboarding. Then we have what does the onboarding process look like. Then we have how long does the onboarding take. Then will I get paid for the onboarding process. Then we have getting started. What is the Outlier? So we have here it is safe to provide. So you click over here and get your answers. Then you have about qualifications, payment, hours, day-to-day work. Then we have employment terms and student employment. Then the last one is getting support. Then we click over here to more understand about Outlier. Then if we come back here to the home page, we have the second one, it's login. So if you want to log in, all you have to do is write your email address and your password, and then you find your account. But if you want to sign up and it's your first time, you can just click over sign up and you write your personal information, and then you get started with it. So, and the last one here in the home page, we have few opportunities. About a few opportunities. So this is the we have here various jobs. So it's an important tips. So all you have to do right now is search about your jobs. We have here various jobs. You have 105 jobs. You can choose the one you want, or let's say the one you are. We have here also other things. So to make money using Outlier.ea, business can harness the platform's powerful AI-driven insights to identify hidden opportunities, optimize operations, prevent losses, and improve decision making. First, by analyzing sales trends and customer behavior, Outlier.ea can uncover emerging opportunities such as identifying which products or services are gaining popularity or which customer segments are most profitable, enabling target marketing and sales efforts. Additionally, the platform helps optimize operations by detecting anomalies in cost data or inefficiencies in supply chains, leading to cost reduction and improved profit margins. Inventory management also benefits as damage patterns can be analyzed maintain, to maintain optimal stock levels, avoiding the costs associated with overstocking or stockout. Furthermore, Outlier.ea aids in preventing losses by identifying unusual transactions that might indicate fraud and spotting early signs of customer churn, allowing businesses to take proactive measures to retain customers and maintain revenue. Following the insights provided by Outlier and support data-driven decision making, ensuring that businesses' strategies are informed by accurate, real-time data, ultimately leading to more effective and profitable outcomes. So if we come back to the homepage, so in the homepage here we have various information like the first one here, ship the next generation of EA with your expertise. So get paid training cutting edge AA on your own schedule. So we have here 1,100,000 paid out, we have 3.4 million payment assignment, then we have 40,000 experts. In the physical, then we have other things here, share your expertise and get paid working where and when you want. Then we have here the first thing, share your knowledge. If everyone's an expert at something, share your expertise and help make EA more human. Connect with fellow experts Join our community to work alongside like-minded experts in your domain, get paid on your terms, earn competitive pay while enjoying the flexibility to work where and when you want. Then if you scroll down, we have here join a community of innovators. Our EA trainers come from all backgrounds and have expertise in everything from organic chemistry to creative writing. We have generalists here, math, chemistry, law, history, coding, data science, and other things. And also we have your building great EA is a craft EA training is never boring, create your account and try to a simple task in your area of expertise. We have the first thing here, it's rating and ranking. Rating or ranking assignments as contributors to identify the best model responses out of two or more options until the content is high quality enough to be accepted in a review process. Contributors may also be asked to justify their selection in relation to specific criteria or factors. Then we have the second one, it's open rewrite. With an open rewrite assignments, experts provide a starting point or a specific context for an EA model to expand upon. These prompts can vary widely depending on the desired output and the task at hand. Writing prompt can be simple sentence questions or descriptions meant to elicit a response from the EA model. Then we have the last one, it's multimodal. Multimodal assignments train model generates and classify information from multiple modalities, including images, audio, or video. For example, experts might train the model to generate a story or a description based on visual content. Then if you scroll down, we have here also made the experts helping develop safe and beneficial AA across all disciplines. We have here about biology, Johnson, Chelsea about generalists, we have chemistry about we have Gabriel, and we have Christian about creative writing, Justin Rice coding, then we have Casey Richardson generalized. So you can just read these comments to more understand about this website. Then the last thing here we have fixed. We have here about Outlier, we have the definition and about getting started, how you can get started. We have what is the purpose of Outlier's onboarding, how long does the onboarding take, who will get paid here, what does the onboarding here, and then we have qualification here. Can I bring some friends too? What is your selection process? How are resumes evaluated? What qualification do I need? Then about payment also we have are this opportunity to earn money, to earn more, sorry, how will I be paid, how much will I be paid. Then we have the last one, it's award. So we can just read this information to more understand about this website and how it works. Have you how long will I this opportunity last? Can I do this work in addition to another part-time or full-time opportunity? Then how much time should I expect to work? Then if you scroll down, we have your terms of use, community guidelines, and then we have your privacy policy, working location policy, and we have your cookies policy, data privacy addendum. So you can just click over the one you want to know, and then you start know more information about this website, then you start with it. So all you have to do right now is just get started to dive into outlier.ea, then you sign up, then you choose your few opportunities, and then you get started and you earn money by that. So this is it for this video guys. I hope it has been useful and helpful, and see you again in the next video.